gonna be a little something more. I've got a plan in mind.
Okay guys, I don't do this all the time. Drove by about 4 different fast food places and several different restaurants, and I don't know, usually I'll drop in, like the McDonald's that we just went by, I'll drop in and like, you know, get something quick to eat or just like a little snack. And I'll tell myself, oh, you know what, I deserve it, it was kind of a tough day, or, you know, oh, you know, just a little treat, nothing big. But man, if I do that like 3 or 4 times a week, that's just like 1,000 calories unnecessary. I'm just telling myself I can't sit there and eat all this food. Okay, so now I'm gonna pull into the supercharger, and I really hate charging because it's just such a time waster, in my opinion. So usually in the winter I hibernate like a bear, and this winter my plan is to actually go hiking. We are definitely in Minnesota winter mode, but for my weight loss journey I am going to go hiking in the snow this winter. So one of the things I'm going to plan on doing is I'm going to get a really nice backpack, something that is going to be easy for me to carry stuff with me, and I plan on going on like 1 or 2 hour hikes around my area and pretend I'm in the woods or something. I'm pretty excited for it because I've never done hiking in the winter.
Today is gonna be a little something more. I've got a plan in mind, a special thing in store. The light bulb.
Okay guys, I don't do this all the time. Actually, I don't do it at all in the winter, going on a walk. So I decided to take this morning, and you know, to me it's beautiful. I actually love Minnesota weather. It's about 30 degrees today and nobody's out here, but I'm gonna enjoy this walk.
'Cause I don't care and didn't make the bed. Never feel this way. It's my lucky day. It's my luck.
Hey everyone, I hope you're having a great day or evening. Thank you for watching my weight loss journey and coming along today for my first hike in the snow. I've been wanting to do this winter walk for some time, and I'm glad I did it, even though it was a lot shorter than expected. On that note, this winter hike was a learning lesson, a big lesson in expectations. In the video, I was getting pretty full of myself talking about doing 1 to 2 hours of winter hiking. When I was editing the video, I was like, are you kidding me? Walk 1 to 2 hours? You're just graduating from walking 45 minutes in flip-flops. Expectations and goals are good, but when they are unrealistic and set you up for failure, they are more of a detriment than a motivator. Honestly, I don't know what I was thinking when I was saying, yep, let's go walking in the snow, you know, for 1 or 2 hours. It's not good and it's dangerous. Hypothermia is a real thing, and I'm glad I turned back. It took me 11 minutes to figure it out and 22 minutes round trip to get back. And that's the problem, not knowing when to stop or give yourself a break. What if I kept walking and at 22 minutes I decided to turn around? Now that's going to be a 44-minute round trip. Losing weight is the same too. What if I starved myself too long and next thing I know, I'm binging and pounding down a Big Mac and fries? You know, the dangers of hypothermia is imminent and happens all the time. But hypothermia doesn't kill 21 million people a year from heart disease and high blood pressure. So I have to evaluate my expectations on a daily and weekly basis. It's not a set it and forget it thing. My expectations right now is to get my 45-minute walk in and dress appropriately. I should wait till spring to do a longer walk. I hope that if you are hiking in the winter, that you bundle up, stay safe, and have a great time. Okay, so now on to this week's weigh-in. Can you believe that we're on our 8th week? Up to week 3, we had 29 subscribers. Week 5, we had 85 subscribers. And now in our 8th week, we are at 634 subscribers and 242,800 views. Wow. Thank you everyone for your amazing, wonderful support. If you have been watching and haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe since it greatly helps the channel. This channel isn't about me, it's about all of you. Maybe some of you are already in good health and weight, but you may know someone who may benefit from my channel. Please share it with them. Please also like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Okay, so here we go. This week, did I lose weight? Did I gain weight? Did I stay the same weight? This week, I weigh in at 243.2 pounds. I am down 0.6 pounds. It's not the 2 pounds I was shooting for, but I'm minding the expectations. Overall, I'm happy that I didn't gain or stay the same weight. Let's do a quick review of where we've come and where we are at today. Okay, here we go. Week 8, we are at 243.2 pounds. We are down 0.6 pounds, and we have a total loss of 11.5 pounds altogether. As you remember, we started at 254.7 pounds, and then we went through, weeks 3 to about 7, where our weight was kind of going up and down. It was a bit of a roller coaster, but now we're at 243.2. Okay, so now we're at week 9, and our goal is going to lose 2 pounds for next week, week 9, and that'll be 241.2 pounds. And our total loss weight is 11.5, and we have 83.2 pounds left to go. So there we go. Thank you for coming along on my short walk today. Thank you for helping me keep going, and we are down 0.6 pounds this week. Please smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and smack the notification bell. Check my video on the screen for my weight loss journey 5-step plan. Thank you again, and see you next time.